Outreach Secrets. So, welcome all of you. I welcome you cordially for this session. This is not a training session, this is a coaching session. That means I always encourage you to do this, the task, whatever this we are doing here today with me. So, then if you do this with me today, you will see results starting from tomorrow. That I can guarantee that because I have been doing this for a long time, so I know that for a fact. So, I always invite you to join with me for this session and like work with me along the way. So then once again, so then that will give you a great value. That is how you get the total value out of this session today. So as you can see on the screen, I will start with this small slide and I will explain each of these points in my session today. So first of all, the LinkedIn outreach automation and why it matters and how it works. So then after that, the introduction to Dripify, the tool that we are going to use today. It's one of the it's most of the places it has been ranked #1 automation tool. So we will go into that as well as the second point, and then after that we will set up the campaign. So what we'll do is once we have this Dripify account set up today, we will set up our first campaign today as well. So that is the it will be step by steps I will walk you through. So and I will also be doing, so that it will give you a great understanding about how this is all going to happen. So then after that, finally, before we wind up, we will explain, I will discuss about the LinkedIn basics, about your profile optimization and like connection strategies, because sales is all about urgency in LinkedIn. Yes, of course it's about urgency. So if you say like, how about tomorrow 2 p.m., then there will be a meeting. So I have been there, and that is why I am explaining this, giving this value out to you from my experience. So then after that, I will explain about my coaching program, because some of you might get this in this first go, but you might not, because of the timing constraints and everything. So what I have done is I have structured this into 4 weeks of coaching sessions, like 4 weeks, one session per week, where we will do with you the whatever the role that you have to do. We will do that with you. So if you go to my website codeso.lk, you can see here it's called codeso.lk. So here I am explaining all of these things, and here if you click this button, you will see the program curriculum. So you will see how the 4 weeks are structured. So when you click that, the first week is all about identifying your client profile. I mean the ideal client profile who you want to reach out to. So then we will plan a 6-month LinkedIn strategy, and then we can finalize our like high impact tasks that are gonna come. Then after that, we will move to the second week. In the second week, we will focus on daily routines and like implementing Dripify or whatever LinkedIn automation tool will also be introduced in this stage. And apart from that, we will focus on mastering the messaging sequence and how to connect on a daily basis. We will explain these things in the second week, and then after that, in the third week, we will activate the trial periods of Dripify or whatever the automation tool that we're going to use. And then from that day onwards, there will be a 7-day period if you start with Dripify, and there are ways to extend it. And apart from that, structuring multi-step, the follow-up sequence, everything like sending emails and sending messages, all these are like combined to now. So we will check that as well. Then after that, scaling the outreach while maintaining your profile, because LinkedIn doesn't like automation, but it allows it up to a certain extent, because people can save a lot of time with this automation. So then after that, we will move to the fourth week, where we will review what has been happening, because by the fourth week you must be getting like positive results, like positive meetings. So we will discuss about the data and like what are the results, and then dive deep into what has been happening, and like maybe any issues and the stuff, and then I will demonstrate how we can move this to the next step by activating sales navigator and doing this as like full time, like giving this the full energy that the LinkedIn allows. So this is how my program is structured. So it is very easy to follow, and I will coach one on one. So there will be online sessions. So if you want to register, then you can go to the next click and give me a little bit about your details about you, and then after that you will see the agreement terms. These are very simple agreement terms, and then after that you have to schedule. There are 4 sessions here. You have to schedule all those 4 sessions to before you sign in and pay. So make sure that you schedule all the 4 sessions before you continue. So it is in the fourth step. So you can figure this out. If you are interested, book a slot, and then you will hopefully get a huge value out of this. So like okay, so let's move to the steps then. First of all, we will move to the automation connection request and the drip message sequence and the analytics and the insights and save smartphone. These under these main topics we will move to Dripify. So what we will do is we will go and create our Dripify account. So then after that we can start our work. So this is the LinkedIn profile that I'm going to use today. So think of this as your own LinkedIn profile. So once you log in, this is the screen that you're going to see. So now what we are going to do is, I'm not going to explain what my network is and what jobs are and how these things can help you grow. I will not explain it now, but I will focus more on activating Dripify. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create a Dripify account now. So I will go to the Dripify. This is the link, dripify.com, dripify.com. You click it and then you start a free trial. Just like this, you start a free trial. Once you do that, you will be directed to a place like where you will be asked about your credentials and everything. You can use your Google account to register for the free trial. So as you can see, now we are inside. So there is a 7-day free trial period, and the account the trial is already activated. So they give us some questions, so we will answer them and continue. So if you are okay now, if you are working now, I always ask you to go to dripify.com and start the free trial with me, and then continue this, because if you do this today, tomorrow you will see results. That is what I am saying again. That is why I am saying this again. So let me continue. In the meantime, you can go to Dripify and start your free trial. You can change these questions. As you can see, I'm using let's go with no. I'm using default questions. So so they are asking us to add our team, so we will skip it now for now. And now I have my Dripify. I'll explore on my own. So So as you can see, now first of all what we'll do is I have already connected my LinkedIn account with Dripify. So you can do it easily by going to the settings, and like when you do the registration process, you will automatically do it. You will be prompted with your LinkedIn password and username. You give it, and then this kind of a dashboard you will see. So now what you are gonna what you have to do is uh, go to campaigns and then create campaign. Then add leads. So you can, there are many options here. I will start with the basic LinkedIn search. So I will go to my LinkedIn profile now and do the search. So I will search for CEOs, people. So since this is a new account, most of the names will not be shown here, but it's not a problem. You just have to copy this link and go to your Dripify and paste it. So now you can see there are thousands of profiles. So what I'll do something a little bit more, other than searching for all the CEOs in the whole world, we will use South Africa, maybe Johannesburg. So let's go with Johannesburg and we'll get the results. So now we have a list of CEOs who are in Johannesburg. So we'll go here and again we will select that and paste it and do the basic search. So 1000 plus LinkedIn connections were found. So we will for now we will take 15. So you can get maximum number of profiles in, but for now I'm just getting 50. So when you do this lead filtering, they ask about the lead filtering. So you don't have to you can see these things, you can read these things and select your like refine your selections, but for now I will just continue with this thing. And we have to give a name. So I say Johannesburg CEOs. I will create a list name. Okay, now the list is here. Now then I will click next. Once I do that, I will come to the template selector. So this is where all the templates are. So it will be easy if you can go with a template, but it's not a must. So for better understanding, I will not go with a template, but I will do a custom template, custom one. So that means I will create a new new flow. So when you create a custom one, this is where you start. As you can see, this will be your canvas area. So from here you can start. First of all, you can add. So when you click that, you can see there are a pop-up comes, and what you have to do is, first of all, you have to send an invite. So you send an invite. So then after one day you wait for like we are building the sequence. I'm going fast, I know, but try to come up try to follow me, then it will be easier for you. So what we do is we will send an invite, and what we are doing is we are automating our workflow. So first of all, when we send an invite and wait for 3 days, and if it is still not accepted, we will say, what we will do is we will if it is if not still accepted, what we will do is we will add email follow-up. So send an email here. So before that we have to find the email. If found, yes, you send an email, and in the email you can write the email from to. In order to add the emails, you have to connect your emails. So it is very easy. You just have to click this connect email and then go to your Gmail and connect it. So that way you can easily connect your Gmails. That part I'm not going to do today. So it is easy, but you can do it yourself. So so as you were saying, that is the email, and if the emails were not found, you can end the sequence. So basically this is how the sequence flows. So first of all, we send an invite and wait for 3 days, and then after that, if still not accepted, we will find the email. And if the email, so I will remove this thing, find email part I will remove. So then I will go to the other side, that is when you send an invite, it gets accepted. Then what you do, you wait for 1 day and view the profile, and you wait another 1 day, and then like a post, and then you wait another 1 day and follow, and then you wait another 1 day and send a message. So this will be our first message. So after connecting, we are going to tell them hi. So I will not be going into the deep into the messaging sequences and the messaging etiquettes and the ethics that we have to follow, but still I will just type hi, then the first name. You don't have to type it, you just have to click it from here. Then the system will automatically fill out the name. Hi, first name. Thank you for connecting. I am a licensed financial advisor. Mind my spellings. Financial advisor. I am a licensed financial advisor here in South Africa, and I would love to I would love to have a chat with you regarding your current financial arrangements. Is this something you might find value in? Regards, and your name here, Shan, and then I save the message. So there are a lot of filters that you can use, and I will be waiting for 2 days. I will be waiting for 2 days and then add another like view profile, and then after that another 1 day I will add like a post, and then after that I will send the second message. Hi, first name. A quick follow up on my last message. Did you happen to have time to think this through. Would love to know what you think. Regards. And in the meantime, I'll explain one other thing here. Just without sending this message, you can add something better. That is, like if you go to more, you can see all these things are available. So we can use one of these things and send him a very customized message. Say for an example, I will use the company thing and write wish you success at the company. Now the system will replace the company with the company name that our prospect is actually working. So then I will save the message, and then the sequence is right. Then after 1 day I will add another profile view, and then after another 1 day another like post, and in the and then finally I will send the third message. So hi, first name, I think you are not much keen on exploring financial exploring my proposal further at this moment. Maybe I will get back to you in a different time where the situation may permit us to have a chat. So likewise I'll send this, and I will save this, and once this is done, third message will be sent, and also you can continue pursuing them after like 1 year, 2 year, like every year you can send them a message likewise, because as financial advisors, this profession, these are always, we are talking about long term relationships. So that is how we do it. Then after that we can end the sequence and check our sequence. So now you can I will zoom this out, and I'll show you what our sequence is all about. So let me position it. So the screen is not clear to you, so let me zoom up. So basically this is a very simple structure: sending an invite, waiting for 3 days, if not accepted, we end the sequence. Withdraw the request if they are not doing so. Send the invite, if accepted, view the profile, like a post, follow, and then send the first message, and then view the profile, like a post, and then send the message, and wait for 3 days, view the profile, like a post, and then send the third message. So this is a very simple structure that I built here. This can get very complex. We will discuss these things more in our practical session. So I will name this CEOs for financial meetings. I just named it, and then I will save and launch. So once I do this, you will see what happens. So I will show you the campaign now. So see how what is happening. So I will go inside the my campaign and show you what is actually happening. So as you can see, the leads have been like the system has generated all the leads. Now it will automatically start sending the messages. So when you check your computer tomorrow, these numbers will be different. So there will be leads in the list and they will be accepted. Then when somebody accepts and somebody sends a message, it will be shown in this inbox as well, in as well as in your LinkedIn account. So basically this is how we use Dripify to do LinkedIn automations. So with that, I will move to the my next slide. So we have followed these things: creating a Dripify account and defining your target audience. So and then designing the drip sequence. We built that, and like safety limits are always automated at this stage, so that you don't have to consider about that much. And then launch and monitor. So we actually launched it. So if you did it with me, then you should have launched it by now, and then by tomorrow you will see the results. So that actually concludes the session of LinkedIn and Dripify integration and making an automation out of it. So now I will explain about the LinkedIn basics, like, because when you start with a LinkedIn account, you have to have a professional LinkedIn account, because you will be judged, your profile will be judged. Therefore use a professional headshot, of course mandatory, and then a headline explaining who you are and what you do, and then your about section, and all the sections should tell about you, and the featured section mostly social proof, and then for credibility at least like 500 LinkedIn connections. And then for the growth strategies, there are ways to grow your account like organically, because we were talking about outreach, and there's an inbound method as well. So we will discuss this if we meet again, we will discuss that as well. So with that, I will explain you about my coaching program. So what I discussed today, I include them into a 4-week long LinkedIn coaching session. So there, if you come to my session, you will have to work with me. We will parallelly do it. So we will on the first day we will understand what LinkedIn is all about and how LinkedIn is working, and on the second day we will understand how the messaging sequence work, and how to use urgency to generate meetings, real meetings that are gonna end up in a sale. So in the third day, I will be doing with you the automation part with Dripify. Using the Dripify trial account, we will do the automations, and by the 4th week you will understand the results, you will understand what is happening, because from the first day you will have tasks to do, daily tasks. So it's not gonna take long, but it's gonna build a habit that will be really valuable as a professional financial service professional. So finally in the 4th week we will review all these things, what has been happening, and hopefully you will have more than one meeting, and that's a hope I am also having. If you do all these things correctly, you will definitely see results. And finally when all this is happening, I will explain you how LinkedIn Sales Navigator can help this grow. Like you can 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x this by using LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So we will I will give a brief introduction about LinkedIn Sales Navigator and how it can help you. So with this, let's wind up the session. So thank you very much for all of you for joining, and I want to apologize because today's live session got cancelled because there was a technical failure, there was an issue with the system. So we couldn't like go live on the at the time, but because there was a lag. And I thank you all the people who joined the live session, and those who and I apologize for those who couldn't hear or hear the LinkedIn live. So because I couldn't complete that LinkedIn live, I decided to create this short sessions with a value, so that you can decide whether you are gonna learn, you're gonna start LinkedIn and start booking meetings with your own profile, with the method that I am discussing today. So currently I am helping a lot of entrepreneurs, like financial advisors, book meetings, and I know what I'm talking about. So I will I will explain to you in detail the things. The value that I've given you today is enough for you to start. So I request you humbly, start this, and this gonna change the way you work in the future, because LinkedIn is here to stay. LinkedIn has a huge database and verified database, that is the biggest database in the world. So LinkedIn will be there for a long time. So if you can understand this method, if you can start this today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, day by day, you will grow this. Your network will grow at least by 5 to 10 people per day. Like think about the long term. When you reach past the 6 month, you will see results. I have seen that with so many people. So that is why I'm asking you, go to my website and register for register for the course I'm offering, and it's really valuable, and it will explain you, it will make you, it will help you start the LinkedIn outreach process. If you do this today, tomorrow you will see results. That is what I'm always telling. So my course is up for sale at $125 US dollars. For now, it's not gonna stay in that amount for a long time, because this is 4 sessions included. So just $125 today. If you want to register, you go to codeso.lk, and then you check my curriculum, what I will be explaining, and then if you are satisfied, then we start it. It will be an interactive session. I will talk with you, and you will talk with me, and we will together we will do this together, and I'm always here to help. So thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.